Hi folks, Chris here from Hinton the Trail. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a quick winterization of Tandy, and we're going to show you how to do that. So the first step you're going to want to do is make sure all your tanks are drained. I've already done all that. You are going to need antifreeze. Do not use automotive antifreeze. You're going to want to use something like this from Camco. It's good for minus 50 degrees. It's non-toxic.
It's RV Marine.
It's RV Marine, Susanna says. I'm going to use a section of hose here because we're going to siphon out the antifreeze, and then vice grips because I don't have a socket that's big enough for the hot water tank. So the next step, we're going to open up all the low point drains and drain the fresh water tank to try to get all the fluid out. So on the Tandaras, we have multiple. We have the low point drains are located here, actually kind of underneath the furnace, and then we have the freshwater tank, which is located back behind the rear axle. And then the freshwater drain is under here. The next step is we have to drain the hot water tank. So we've had ours off now for about 30 minutes. You may want to actually wait longer. Underneath here, there's an off and on switch for the tank. We've had ours off. And now what we're going to do, we're going to open up and take this rod out and then open up the pressure relief valve. Now you're going to want to stand back from this because the water may obviously be hot. I'm going to put on some gloves just in case the water's still hot and release that pressure valve.
So, and while the water heater is draining, we're going to go ahead and make sure the water pump is off. And then we're going to turn on all the faucets and run the toilet and everything to clear out the pipes. There's nothing coming out, so that one's good. A little bit there, maybe. Turn on the shower. Nope. And the last one is the toilet.
Okay, so you could do this by blowing it out with an air compressor. We don't have one that goes down low enough. So your other method is actually just to do straight antifreeze. So we've drained all the tanks, all the faucets have been turned off, the low point drains are closed, freshwater tank is closed, and now we're going to hook this up and siphon in some antifreeze. So there's a setup here for Winterize. So we're going to have your blue to the left, red to the right. And before we get it going, I'm going to actually stick my hose into the bottom of the antifreeze, green over, and turn the pump on. So what this is doing is bringing all the antifreeze into the system, and in a minute Suzanne's going to go turn on all the faucets, hot and cold, and make sure that the antifreeze is getting through the lines. Okay, so now there's pressure because it stopped pumping. There's enough fluid inside the lines to actually start using the faucets.
So like we just talked about, we're going to go ahead and make sure we get the antifreeze run through all the lines. So we're going to go in and turn on all the faucets, hot and cold. Do one at a time until it runs pink. Hot. That's good. Cold.
All right, so we bought 4 jugs because we were not sure how much we needed. So we actually have only used 2, or almost 2. So what we're gonna do with the remainder of these is we're gonna go pour them down the drains to make sure that all the drain pipes and the P-traps actually have this stuff in there. And then that will be it. So it was pretty easy. Suzanne did a great job.
And so did you.
So if you have any comments, how do you winterize, any tips for making it easier, make sure you leave a comment, and remember to hit that subscribe button. And thanks for watching Hinton the Trail.
We're just going to pour our extra down in the drain so that we get it in the P-trap so that doesn't freeze as well. And just do that.
Thank you for watching. We'd love to share our journey with you, so hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you know when a new video is uploaded. And don't forget to leave your comments down below and hit the like button.